Mailchimp email marketing tutorial, how to send emails with Mailchimp. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know about Mailchimp, how you can get started with email marketing, and more. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, simply head on over to Mailchimp, and Mailchimp provides you with multiple different solutions for your marketing needs. It provides you vastly with email marketing services, segmentation, and all of the basic necessities of email marketing. Alongside that, they also have landing pages you can create, forms you can create, lead generation targets that you can actually fulfill. So, all of these features can help you in building a strong marketing strategy. Now, to get started with Mailchimp, simply head on over to Mailchimp.com and click on sign up. Signing up is absolutely free. They have a free plan that allows you to send 1,000 emails, and then you can upgrade as you go and as your business expands. So you just choose the plan that you want and click on sign up, and you can just sign up over here. I'm going to log into my account because I have already created one here on Mailchimp. And once you log on to your account, this is going to be your dashboard. So in your dashboard, you will see a left panel that has campaigns, automations, audience, analytics, website content, and integrations. And then on your top right, you have your basic account. Now, I have a store connected, and you can build multiple different integrations into Mailchimp to make it easier for you to receive all of your emails and manage your leads. So if you want to connect your account, you can simply click on integrations on the bottom left. And once you click on integrations over here, you have a few different integrations such as Shopify, Squarespace, X, WooCommerce, MailLaunch, WordPress, and more. So if you have your e-commerce store built on Shopify or WordPress, you can directly link them on with Mailchimp to make it easier for you to manage your emails. Now, once you have done that, you can just do that by clicking on the preferred tool that you are using for your website, such as Shopify. Click on Get Started over here, and this will lead you to the Shopify App Store where you can download your email marketing tool, which is Mailchimp, into your Shopify store, and then you can get started. Now, to take a look at the email sending process of Mailchimp, first, I like to build my audience or segments. So you can click on audience on the left panel over here to get a look at the different audiences you might have. Now, you can import your audience as well. So you can go into all contacts in the left panel. And once you do that, you will see your audience, which is all of your pre-existing contacts that you can add. To add a contact, you can click on Add Contact and add a subscriber or import your contact if you already have a list built. Now, from here, you can choose a TXT or CSV file, copy and paste them from a spreadsheet, or import from another service. If you don't have an email list already, you can add your contact individually or create forms using Mailchimp as well. So if you want to get started with building forms to actually capture emails, then for that, you have to click on Create on the top left. And then on your left panel over here on the bottom, you'll see this option called a sign up form. Now, from here, you can choose a type of sign up form that you want to create, whether it's embedded, pop-up, or a sign up landing page. Let's say I want to build a landing page. You can build that from here as well. And we do have a detailed tutorial on how to do that if you want to build your pop-ups with Mailchimp. Now, let's say you have your audience ready, you have your emails ready, and you just want to build your email. Well, to do that, you can click on campaigns and start building a campaign, or you can just click on create on the top left, click on email, and choose the type of email you want to build. You have three basic types of emails: regular emails, automations, and then a landing page. Most of the time, I am going to be using the automation feature because I have to schedule my emails and I just like to build the journey and then build the email all together. However, if you want to do this in broken down steps, so if you just want to design your email for now and then later on build the customer journey that is going to be relevant to that particular email, you can do that as well. Just as an example, I can build a email for an abandoned cart. So it would just be a very generic email where, it states that, hey, you left something in your cart. It would be great if you want to purchase this item. We can give you a 10% discount. So I can build a regular email like that, and then later on build an automation where I can set the trigger to be whenever someone leaves an empty cart. This gives me the margin to later on change my email and customize it further for my launch of my campaign. Now I'm going to get started with designing an email, so let's get into designing with Mailchimp. Now, from here, you will see a few different options that you have. First off is your to. So you can click on edit recipients over here and choose a certain segment. You also have tags that you can use, and a segment is based usually upon a certain dynamic feature. So a segment could be based on customers that have purchased in the last 10 days or customers that have visited in the last 10 days. Then you also have a do not send option. This can be great for excluding certain customers or segments which are not going to be a useful addition in your particular promotion. So let's say people that have unopened re-engagement emails. So I can leave those people out for now because I don't want to spam those people and end up getting marked as spam, and then all of my emails would be sent in the trash. And then from here you can click on save. Now you also have the option to personalize each individual email when it is being sent. So you will see this option on the bottom which says personalize the send to field, and this will display the name tags of the particular person that you are sending it to. So for example, it's going to be the first name and the last name. It's going to say to Bob Smith, like that. So I want to personalize this, and I want this to be their first name and their last name. And then I'm just going to click on save over here, and that is it. Now, after that, we have the subject. Now, we can choose the type of email we're building. Let's say I want to build a email, which is going to be, winter clearance sale is here, up to 70% off, like this. And then we can add a preview text like this, and then I can just click on save. Now after that you have your send time, so you can choose the send time that you want to send your email at, and then you have your actual content that we will be designing. So you can schedule a time or you can choose to send it right away. And let's say I want to schedule this for a certain delivery date. I can choose that over here, and this is a feature that is reserved for the premium plan on Mailchimp. Now, once I have chosen everything, I can go into the content section and then click on design email to actually get started with designing our email on Mailchimp. Now, you have a few different basic layout templates available, and then you have some premium templates over here on Mailchimp. Then you also have the option to start from scratch. Now, I want to use a minimal email style, so I'll just be going with this one over here, and I'll just click on apply. Now, from here, it has automatically inserted our logo, and if you upload your logo onto Mailchimp, it will add it to every relevant field where your logo is required. Now, if we go back over here, we have two image options, and then on the left panel, we have different types of content we can include. Let's say I want to include some text, so I can drag and drop this over here, and then I can insert my text. Don't miss out. The last sale of the season, like this, and then I can click on the image and then click on add. Then I'll click on upload image, and I can upload my own image, or I can even click on browse images to just use a image that we have previously used, like this. I'll just insert that, and I'll just insert another one over here. And just like that, I have inserted two images, and at the bottom we have a button. So I'll just click on this button and I can link it to my web page. And then finally, once we have completed our design, we can click on save and exit on the top right. And once we have completed this, you can click on finish later if you don't want to send your email right now. And if you want to test your email, click on send a test email on the right panel, and you can just click on send to send your email out. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.